the President of this function, Advocate Prakash Chaudhari, Professor Shri, my friend, Dr. the Principal of the College, Dr. Murthy, Principal Bashu, my friend, Professor Shri, colleagues, principals of various colleges, delegates and participants. It's very difficult to share views at this particular valedictory function. Reason being, nowadays, as an academician, we are habituated people to attend such type of seminars. But despite this fact, I found a very unique difference in this seminar is this, that if for valedictory function on the second day, still the crowd continues. And I think that is very important. And this crowd, you will appreciate, reason being I have attended today's seminar, sir, where on the second day, you will find nobody is there and they say, please take your certificate and please go. This is a very exceptional situation wherein on the second day for the valedictory function, I think all the participants are here and they are here to probably listen and observe their role models. I think Honorable Justice Mase Patil is in the real sense of the term is the role model for all students in the population. I have been hearing his name for last 25 years plus. When my friend at LLM, Professor Vijay Shinde, joined his chamber as a junior, and since then, whenever we used to meet, he used to appreciate, he used to tell certain anecdotes, he used to tell all his developments throughout his career. And I think a particular person from Ahmednagar, starting his career as a lawyer, going ahead, joining a judiciary and the state commission and whatnot, and now finally to the Supreme Court, I really sir honor and I'm really proud of you, because this is what anything is possible for a person and the students coming from rural area, and otherwise normally we say no, in Pune and Bombay all that particular intelligence is there in Pune and Bombay. But I think this is a very exceptional situation whereby you can see towards such towering personality, and because of their leadership, I feel the programs like this and his concern for the subject has made this entire 2 days sessions and seminar as a grand success. I was not there for yesterday's sessions. With very short notice, I could manage to come. That was for two reasons. One is to just see him and listen to him. That was one of the reasons. The second another reason was a kind of a family reason, where one of the co-founder of this Ahmednagar Jilla Prasarak Mandal, Bal Sahib Tane, was my grandfather-in-law, and my very close relative, Dr. Sadananda More, who was a faculty member in your college, your new arts college. And therefore, I know the kind of a product which comes out of these colleges of Ahmednagar Jilla Maratha Prasarak Mandal. The second thing is this, that here I have been observing since morning the entire discipline in the organization of the seminar. All resource persons are on time, and basically the actual discussions and deliberations are taking place very on a serious note. I was happy to note that certain research papers were very excellent, sir, and it has given momentum and stimulation for all academicians for giving fruitful thinking over the new changes which are coming up in the consumer protection, especially in case of whatever proposed bill they are there, and the students of LLM, students of LLB probably will be definitely going to get a very different kind of an insight to see that what is there and how to look towards the development of law in our state and such. And therefore, in such circumstances, I think such type of interactions were very much important. The participants, and it was pertinent to note that some of the students of this college have actually participated in the seminar, presented their papers. One very innovative thing which I observed, probably it must be stopgap arrangement, but those people, those academicians who have sent their research papers but could not come in absentia, our students students have taken lead and presented their papers. I think this is something which is very different. I'm sure in years to come, these new budding lawyers will make a very fruitful contribution to the legal fraternity as such. The other, so far as food is concerned, the kind of hospitality is concerned was definitely a typical Nagari style and in good sense of the term. And with all the kind of moments of all teachers and students, I could see a very friendly atmosphere over here. And being the one of the important colleges in Ahmednagar, where now students can take LLB and LLM and become legal stalwarts. But for that, I think Center for Consumer Studies, IITA, and the History of Consumer Affairs, all these three different organizations have come together in New Law College. This is a very